When it comes to cars, Indian rappers do not shy in showing off. Every time we listen to a rap song, a few things are common, like beautiful women, high fashion outfits, and luxury cars. While the Indian rap scene is growing, so are the rappers. The rap culture has finally settled in India and it's here to stay. A scroll through a few of India's most popular Punjabi rappers and singers will make you believe that music videos are just a page out of their real lives. Before you take a look at the most popular Punjabi rappers and singers who drive the most expensive cars, we request you to please hit the subscribe button for such interesting videos. Badshah entered Bollywood with a bang and has made sure to let his impact stay. No matter what people say, this Punjabi rapper likes all things loud and expensive. Badshah loves to spend on his clothes and shoes, and the most expensive things owned by him include a Rolls-Royce Ray. His car can do a 0 to 100 km/h sprint in just 4.4 seconds. The price of this beauty is Rs 6.4 crore. One thing that is common in every Diljit Dosanjh music video is fancy cars. As per reports, Diljit Dosanjh owns a Rolls-Royce. In 2013, he tweeted that he had bought a Porsche Panamera. This vehicle costs anywhere between Rs 1.7 to Rs 2.26 crore today. Guru Randhawa is an amazing singer, mainly known for his profession in blending Punjabi masala insanity to Bollywood numbers. Guru Randhawa with his tracks has sent people into frenzy. The rapper has an amazing collection of cars and bikes. He has his Mercedes C-Class, the first luxury car he ever purchased, wrapped in a stunning yellow, making it look fresh as a daisy. He also owns a Lamborghini Gallardo, which is approximately priced at Rs 3.06 crore. Yo-Yo Honey Singh rose to fame way back in 2009 and has been able to maintain it till now. The rapper topped the charts with his various songs and entered Bollywood. Honey Singh is quite excited about cars and it shows in his car collection. The rapper owns many luxurious cars ranging from Audi R8 V10, Jaguar XJL Supercharged, Audi Q7 and more. One of the most attractive cars from his collection is Porsche Cayenne. This car is priced at Rs 1.19 crore. Mika Singh is known for his amazing voice, controversies and love for expensive cars. He owns a fleet of swanky and expensive cars, including his most favorite orange Hummer. However, back in 2014, the singer had tweeted that he was the first person to buy a Range Rover autobiography in India and that it cost him Rs 3.75 crore. If you found this video interesting, please subscribe to our channel The Vocal News and don't forget to like, comment and share this video. You can also follow us on Facebook and log on to our website www.thevocalnews.com.